Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video in my new channel, Boomster Crafting. And this channel is all about crafting stuff, creating something more like with your hands than like gaming. And don't forget to check my other channel, Boomster 745. It's my gaming channel. And today for my first video, I'm just gonna make slime. Okay? I'm gonna make fluffy slime. So the ingredients you need is Elmer's school glue, second, we need some contact lens solution. Thirdly, we need some shaving cream. And the other two ingredients. So we need also baking soda and body lotion to make it stretchy. And if you want, you can add food coloring, but for this video I'm not going to add any food coloring. So first you add some of the Elmer's glue. Put in quite a decent amount. Good. After that, you add some body lotion to make it stretchy. It doesn't really. There's actually no rule on which stage, but the first thing you always need to put is glue, and then you can put any other ingredient. It doesn't need to be, So you add some, maybe like 2 drops about, So after that, you mix it. You mix it very well. So, if you want to make the slime like a little bit more fluffy, you add some shaving cream. Something is stuck. Let's add some more. Good. So if you have that, now you just mix it. Very good. After this stage, you add some baking soda. teaspoon, like half of this spoon. Yeah, that's how much you put inside. Or actually, it doesn't need to be a half. This kind of quantity is quite good. Put inside. So this is, now you just mix it. So now this is the last stage. To come everything together, form a slime, you add some contact lens solution. You add quite a decent amount. You can always add some more if you want. I'm just gonna add some more. And I think 3 times of this. Like about 3 or 4 times. Repeating this stage. That would be quite good. Till it becomes together. Very good. As you can see, it starts to stick together. Do not make it so sticky. You can just add a little bit more. So, this is now the second last stage. Now at this stage, you take some in your hand, and then you just knead it. Take some more, just knead it. Okay, now at this point actually, just need to add now you just add now if you can, you just add some more. Just add actually a lot because it's very, very sticky. Mix it now with your hands. After, you take it in your hands and now you just knead it. I'm going to edit now this part, so you will not see it. And I'm back from editing, and yeah, the slime will look very stretchy if you made it with your hands, and it will not be so sticky. It will not be so sticky. So look, if you can see my hand, I have nothing on my hands. Slime should be very stretchy. If you follow the steps, you will have a very nice, stretchy, fluffy slime. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. In case the editing doesn't work with all the long part of working out with your hands, then I apologize. But I will not edit. I already edited the part. If it doesn't work somehow, if it won't work for you guys, yeah, then I'm sorry, and you can just skip the part. So I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned for my next videos. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for my daily notifications. And don't forget to check out my other channel, Boomster745. If you would check that channel out, yeah, it would really help me. And yeah, bye.